How to learn English with AI, the future of language learning. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Today we're talking about something that is changing the way we learn languages forever. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI isn't just for tech companies anymore. It's already helping millions of people learn English faster, smarter, and more effectively. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use AI to improve your English right now. Whether you have 5 minutes a day or an hour, AI can customize your learning and help you improve in ways that were never possible before. So let's get started. Why AI is a game changer for learning English traditionally. Learning English meant memorizing long vocabulary lists, studying complex grammar rules, doing boring textbook exercises. But let's be honest, how many of us actually enjoy that? The truth is, many learners spend years studying English without ever feeling comfortable speaking it. But now, AI has changed the game. With AI, you can get instant corrections on grammar and pronunciation, practice real conversations anytime, anywhere, have personalized lessons that fit your learning style. Sounds exciting, right? AI tool number 1, ChatGPT for English conversation practice. Imagine having an English-speaking tutor available 24/7. That's exactly what ChatGPT can be. Here's how you can use it. 1. Practice conversations. Type, "Let's practice a job interview," and ChatGPT will act like the interviewer. 2. Grammar correction. Write a sentence and ask ChatGPT to correct it. 3. Learn new expressions. Ask, "Give me casual ways to say, 'I'm busy.'" Bonus tip. Want to make it more fun? Try role-playing different scenarios like ordering at a restaurant or making travel plans. AI tool number 2, AI-powered pronunciation checkers. Let's be honest, pronunciation can be frustrating. Sometimes you think you're saying a word correctly, but native speakers don't understand you. That's where AI-powered pronunciation tools come in. Apps like Elsa Speak or Speechling analyze your voice and give instant feedback. They check your pronunciation. They compare your voice to a native speaker's. They even show you how to move your mouth. Pro tip, practice just 5 minutes a day and you'll see a huge improvement. AI tool number 3, AI for listening and reading comprehension. Listening to native speakers can feel overwhelming. They speak fast, they use slang, they cut words together. But AI can help you train your ears. 1. Use YouTube's AI subtitles to follow along with English videos. 2. Use DeepL or Google. Translate to quickly understand difficult words. 3. Use AI-generated summaries to read faster and understand more. Example, found a difficult article? Ask AI to summarize it in simple English. This makes learning faster and stress-free. How to make AI part of your daily English routine. The key to success isn't just knowing about AI tools. It's using them consistently. Here's an easy AI-powered study plan. Morning, chat with ChatGPT for 5 minutes. Afternoon, watch an English video with AI subtitles. Evening, use an AI pronunciation app before bed. That's it. Just 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. What's your favorite AI tool? Tell me in the comments. Challenge. Try using AI for 10 minutes today. I challenge you to pick one AI tool and use it for just 10 minutes today. Try ChatGPT for a conversation. Use AI subtitles on a YouTube video. Check your pronunciation with an AI app. The more you experiment, the more you'll see how powerful AI can be. AI is changing the way we learn languages. And if you use it the right way, you can learn English faster than ever before. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.